Ahoy, tech enthusiasts! In our digital age, passwords are the gatekeepers of our online lives. Think of your passwords as the guardians of your emails, social media, and even your bank accounts. A weak password is like leaving your front door wide open, an invitation for trouble. That's why we need passwords that are as strong as a fortress, protecting our precious data from any digital bandits lurking in the cyber shadows. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense in the vast digital landscape. It's the difference between keeping your information safe and sound and falling prey to cyber attacks. So, let's learn how to create passwords that would make even the most cunning hacker sweat. Now, you might be wondering, how do I create these ultra-strong passwords? Fear not, for Kali Linux is here to the rescue. Kali Linux is like the Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity tools, equipped with everything you need to bolster your online defenses. One of its many superpowers is the ability to generate passwords that are not only complex, but also virtually uncrackable. Kali Linux is a free and open-source operating system favored by security researchers and ethical hackers worldwide. But don't let that intimidate you. Generating a strong password with Kali Linux is surprisingly straightforward, even for beginners. So, whether you're a tech whiz or just starting your cybersecurity journey, Kali Linux has got your back. All right, let's get down to business and generate a password that's tougher than a diamond. First things first, you'll need to open up your Kali Linux terminal. Think of the terminal as your direct line of communication with the heart of Kali Linux. Once you're in the terminal, it's time to summon the password-generating wizardry of Kali Linux. Type in the following command, OpenSSL rand, base 6415. Hit enter, and voila! Kali Linux will work its magic, presenting you with a random string of characters. This, my friend, is your new Fort Knox password, a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols that would leave even the most persistent password cracker scratching their head. Section 4. Decoding the Command. Now, you might be wondering, what does that cryptic command actually do? Let's break it down. The command OpenSSL calls upon the OpenSSL toolkit, which is like a treasure chest of cryptographic tools within Kali Linux. The RAN part instructs OpenSSL to generate random data, the lifeblood of a strong password. Base 64 tells OpenSSL to present this random data in a user-friendly format of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, 15 specifies the desired length of your password, with 15 characters being a good starting point for a robust password. Section 5. Dodging password pitfalls. Congratulations! You've now generated a super strong password using Kali Linux. But before you go forth and conquer the digital world, let's talk about some common password pitfalls to avoid. Firstly, resist the urge to use common words or phrases, no matter how clever you think you are. Hackers have sophisticated dictionaries at their disposal, and they can crack these passwords faster than you can say cybersecurity. Secondly, avoid using personal information like your birthday or pet's name. Remember, hackers are like digital detectives, always on the lookout for clues. And lastly, never, ever use the same password across multiple accounts. If one account is compromised, you don't want to hand over the keys to your entire digital kingdom. Section 6. Safeguarding your digital kingdom. Generating a strong password is a crucial step, but it's only part of the equation. To truly fortify your digital defenses, you need to adopt good password hygiene. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's a non-negotiable habit for maintaining a healthy digital lifestyle. First and foremost, never share your passwords with anyone, not even your best friend or your pet parrot. Your passwords are for your eyes only. Secondly, consider using a reputable password manager. These handy tools act like secure vaults for your passwords, so you don't have to remember a million different combinations. And lastly, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone or email in addition to your password. By embracing these cybersecurity best practices, you're not just protecting yourself, you're contributing to a safer and more secure digital world for everyone. So go forth, armed with your impenetrable passwords, and navigate the digital landscape with confidence and peace of mind.